Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. So right guys, we're going to be having anti-aging smoothie today. We're going to be having turmeric smoothie with mango, pineapple and banana and honey for a taste. So we all know that banana are rich in vitamin B, which help us promote and reduce mood swing. You know, when you're always moody somehow, it helps you to regulate your moods and provide vitamin C, potassium, and magnesium. So actually, the whole fruits we are going to be having here today is going to be are really rich in antioxidants and turmeric. We know turmeric is just a teaspoon of turmeric and a teaspoon of honey. So let's just start. This pineapple is already diced and the frozen one anyway. So, and then I've got mango diced here. Just half. I just cut from half of the mango here. See, so that's what we're gonna be. And of course, one banana. You can add 2 banana if you want it to get more taste of banana. But I just want that more taste of pineapple and mango from it, and that's it. So a teaspoon of turmeric. Turmeric is very, very good for both your immune system and fight against disease, and very good for our health. And of course, honey for taste. I just want to have this taste of honey. This is organic honey, by the way. See how thick it is. So we're adding coconut water, that cream coconut water. This is not milk, this is just coconut milk. So I want you to have that pineapple and the coconut flavor. That's it. We're gonna blend it now. This turmeric smoothie is very, very good for your immune system. It is very medicinal, anti-inflammatory property, high in antioxidants, and good for brain. If you have memory loss, it's very good for you. So let's blend now. This. So that's it. Good for glowing skin, look younger every day. Turmeric is very, very medicinal and it's good for your skin, for your health, and look younger every day. So yeah, this is it. When you try this every day, just try it for a month. You'll see your skin, your health will be balanced. It's good for those who have dementia problem. Maybe you have memory loss, and it reduces depression, which is the turmeric. The turmeric is very, very, very good for your health. It will last you, relieve you from pain. Anti-aging smoothie. So I hope you guys really like it. With the coconut cream and the turmeric, oh my lord. So I hope you guys really like this, and please do subscribe to my channel to support my work. We're empowering women and the young ones to stay healthy and live in a good healthy lifestyle. So I hope you guys like this, and stay tuned for next time. So yeah, anti-aging. Yeah, this is our anti-aging smoothie. I hope you guys really like it. Just to be real, try this every day. If not every day, at least twice a week with turmeric. I bet you, your skin will naturally be glowing. You look younger every day, and you feel younger, healthier from inside, from within you to the outside, and you notice it that yes, things have changed. And of course, with the workouts. So I'm gonna be leaving a link behind on the comment section there. Please, you guys should patronize me for my fitness clothing and everything. My intention is just to promote healthy lifestyle among the African communities, the Black women, for us to kind of be motivated to know that you're not alone. Many of us, every one of us, have something that we're fighting within in our body. Maybe you want to lose belly fat, or you want to lose weight, or you want to stay healthy. You're fighting some health issue. Yeah, most of these things are medicinal that we're taking, and actually I will do a deeper investigation to know what is good for our health, so that I can bring it out there and to help anyone who is really in need of it. So yeah, please support me, like and subscribe to my channel just to support my work. So bless you all. Thank you.